Hi Takara, this is Andrew here at Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you for your interest in the 2011 Hyundai Sonata. As you can see, we have it right here. This is Venetian red. Let's take a closer look. Of course, we have chrome accent grille with the same tone for the inserts. We have projector headlights, new tires, chrome accents. This sculpture down the side is in all Hyundai vehicles. Kind of an iconic look for it. As you look to the inside, we have really spacious, stain-resistant camel interior. Of course, you have climate control, all your hands-free, front of the steering wheel, including Bluetooth. I know you saw the price on this vehicle, and really the best thing to do, just give me a call. The number here is 205-380-6250. Call me my cell phone, because I've always got that with me, at 205-660-1102. Just come down and see me here. We're 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, across from the BB&T. And Takara here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love what you're treated, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.